What is up, guys? It's Fixie here, and today we're doing a full restoration on this LG Stylo 6. So yeah, guys, I got this LG Stylo 6 in a lot of a bunch of Android phones. I think I would have that video posted. If not, this phone was in that lot where I got a bunch of phones for about $10 a piece. This was one of the good ones. This is one of the best ones out of the lot. It is unlocked. It does work, but the screen is shattered, and so is the back glass. I already have the back glass off here because I had to test it with another charging port. Here's the back glass. Very, very shattered. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and we're going to give this thing a full restoration. I have a brand new screen right here. I have the motherboard, battery, and I have a new charge port already in there, as this was what the charge port was in this phone before I replaced it. If this thing will focus. Anyways, you guys can kind of see it. It's all torn up in there. I don't even know how someone can manage that. The frame is all torn up too. So I'm gonna go ahead. This motherboard is already kind of out, so we kind of got an easy one there. But we're gonna need to take everything else out, and we're gonna go ahead and put it in this brand new housing. Let's go ahead and let's get started. And yes, this phone still has a headphone jack. I really do like this phone. It is massive, and it is actually really nice to use. Alright, next we're going to take this battery out. There we go. That battery was a pain to get out just of how close it was to the frame. Alright, there we go. We have everything out of the old frame. Now time to put everything in the new frame. Alright, well, it looks like I wasn't recording any of that, but I have all the screws in. I just tested the phone, screen works good. So we're gonna get this all cleaned up and then we're gonna finish up. Alright, when we got it back here, I fully tested the phone. Everything does seem to be working fine. So we're gonna go ahead and put this back on. So I got this nice back here, and we're gonna go ahead and put it on with some B7000 and some normal adhesive, just so it's double good on there. Alright, back glass is on. We're going to throw some rubber bands on it, let it sit a little while, and we'll come back. Alright guys, we're back. Let's go ahead and let's take all these rubber bands off. The phone has had plenty of time to kind of get back into all sealed up here. Alright, there we go. Everything's off. We can go ahead and peel. And just like that, we're done. So you guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and leave a comment on other suggestions I should do in the future. And also, if you're new, please subscribe. Helps me out a lot and helps my channel grow. Happy New Year's, everybody. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded recently. I've been crazy busy, but I promise to keep the uploads coming, and it's going to be a great year. So happy New Year's and happy late Christmas, everybody. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.